Easypaisa code to send money without app. Is it possible? Now, you do not have maybe the access to your app, but you have registered your account in Easypaisa and you want to learn how you can send money directly from the app without the app. Sorry, is it possible? Well, fortunately for you, yes, it is possible. Now, first, you can actually send money using the USSD code directly to your phone app. Now, depends upon which carrier you're using as well. First of all, if you're using a Telenor network or Telenor carrier, you have to dial *786 hash. So I repeat, *786 hash, and then simply dial the USSD code and enter your CNIC and issuance number of your Easypaisa account. If you're using carriers like Zong, Ufone, or Jazz, then in that case, what you have to do is you have to type in *2262 and hash. So *2262 and hash, and then hit the dial button and again enter your CNIC code. So what happens when you do this is you will get this type of option like this after you dial the CNIC code and so on. Then there you can just tap the one option if you want to do a money transfer. So you can see different options for which you want to choose from. You can tap the one button to select money transfer and enter the recipient details, and you will be able to send money directly without the app. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.